Mastering cultural humility training. Cultural humility is the key to unlocking inclusive excellence. What is the definition of cultural humility, and how does its integration into our organizational practices and policies enable us to promote a more inclusive and equitable work environment, thereby enhancing our ability to provide exceptional service to our diverse stakeholders? Here is a detailed solution to the question. Cultural humility is the ability to recognize and acknowledge the limitations of one's cultural knowledge and biases, and to approach cultural differences with an open and non-judgmental mindset. It involves recognizing the historical and systemic power imbalances that have contributed to marginalization and oppression, and actively working to dismantle these dynamics in our interactions and systems. In the context of operational excellence, cultural humility is essential for creating a work environment that is inclusive, equitable, and just. When we integrate cultural humility into our organizational practices and policies, we can promote a more inclusive and equitable work environment in several ways. Firstly, we can recognize and value the diverse experiences, perspectives, and knowledge that our employees bring to the workplace. This means actively seeking out and incorporating diverse voices in decision-making processes, and providing opportunities for professional development and growth that are tailored to individual needs and goals. Secondly, cultural humility allows us to confront and challenge our own biases and stereotypes, and to recognize the ways in which these may impact our interactions with colleagues, customers, and stakeholders. By acknowledging and addressing these biases, we can create a work environment that is free from discrimination and harassment, and that provides equal opportunities for all employees to thrive. Thirdly, cultural humility enables us to develop policies and procedures that are culturally responsive and sensitive to the needs of our diverse stakeholders. This means recognizing the historical and systemic barriers that have prevented certain groups from accessing our services, and actively working to address these barriers through targeted outreach and engagement strategies. Finally, cultural humility allows us to build stronger, more authentic relationships with our stakeholders, and to provide exceptional service that is tailored to their unique needs and contexts. By acknowledging and respecting the cultural differences that exist between ourselves and our stakeholders, we can build trust, foster empathy, and provide services that are relevant, effective, and sustainable. In terms of operational excellence, cultural humility is essential for several reasons. Firstly, it allows us to identify and address the cultural and systemic barriers that may be preventing us from providing exceptional service to our stakeholders. By recognizing and addressing these barriers, we can streamline our processes, improve our outcomes, and enhance our overall performance. Secondly, cultural humility enables us to leverage the diversity of our employees to drive innovation and improvement. By valuing and incorporating diverse perspectives and experiences, we can develop new solutions, products, and services that meet the unique needs of our stakeholders. Thirdly, cultural humility allows us to build stronger, more collaborative relationships with our stakeholders, and to co-create solutions that are tailored to their needs and contexts. By working in partnership with our stakeholders, we can identify and address the root causes of social and economic problems, and develop sustainable solutions that drive positive change. Finally, cultural humility enables us to demonstrate our commitment to social responsibility and accountability, and to establish ourselves as leaders in our field. By prioritizing cultural humility and operational excellence, we can create a work environment that is inclusive, equitable, and just, and that provides exceptional service to our diverse stakeholders. Overall, the integration of cultural humility into our organizational practices and policies is essential for promoting a more inclusive and equitable work environment, and for enhancing our ability to provide exceptional service to our diverse stakeholders. By recognizing and valuing the diversity of our employees, stakeholders, and customers, we can build a more just and equitable society, and drive positive change that benefits all.